in this video we are going to see Cramer's rule. If A is an invertible n by n matrix, then for any B bar belongs to Rn, the unique solution A into x bar is equals to the unique solution x bar of A into x bar is equals to B bar has entries given by xi is equals to determinant of ai into b bar upon determinant of a. I runs from 1 to and so on up to n, and x bar is equals to matrix x1, x2 and so on up to xn. See here, what is Cramer's rule? It is used to solve the system A into x bar is equals to b bar. If A is an invertible matrix, then for any B bar belongs to R, the unique solution x bar of A into x bar is equals to B bar has entries given by xi is equals to determinant of ai into b bar upon determinant of x. I runs from 1 to and so on up to n, and x bar is equals to matrix x1, x2 and so on up to xn. Okay, let us see some examples based on this rule. Okay, let us see first example. Example 1. Use Cramer's rule to solve the system 3 into x1 minus 2 into x2 is equal to 6 minus 5x1 plus 4x2 is equal to 8. Okay, we have to write this system in the form of A into x bar is equals to b bar. Solution: A is equals to matrix, or let A is equals to matrix 3 minus 2 minus 5 4. Okay, x bar is equals to here two variables, so x bar is equals to x1, x2, and b bar is equals to matrix 6 8. Okay, we have to find here for Cramer's rule, formula is xi is equals to determinant of ai into b bar upon determinant of a. Okay, here I runs from 1 to and so on up to n. Here are two variables, so we require a1 into b bar and a2 into b bar. So a1 into b bar is equal to, okay, students, we have to find a1 into b bar. For instead of first column, write down entries of b bar 6 8 and keep second column as it is 2 4. Next a2 into b bar is equal to first column as it is. Instead of second column, write down entries of b. Okay, this is a1 into b bar and this is a2 into b bar. Now find out determinant of a is equal to 3 into 4 is 12 minus 2 into minus 5 is plus 10. So 12 minus 10 is 2. Okay, next find out determinant of a1 into b bar. So 6 into 4 is 24 minus 8 into minus 2 is minus 16. So So 24 plus 16 is equals to 40. Determinant of A2 into B bar is equals to 3 into 8 is 24 minus 6 into minus 5 is minus 30. This is 24 plus 30 is 54. Okay. By Cramer's rule, what is the formula? Xi is equal to determinant of Ai into B bar upon determinant of A. I runs from 1 to and so on up to n. Here x1 is equal to, put n is equal to 1. So x1 is equal to determinant of A1 into B bar upon determinant of A. Okay. What is determinant of A1 into B bar? Is 40 upon determinant of A is 2. This is equals to 20. So x2 is equals to determinant of A2 into B bar upon determinant of A. Determinant of A2 into B bar is 54 upon 2, 27. Therefore, x bar is equals to matrix x1, x2 is equals to matrix x1 is 20 and x2 is 27. Is the solution of given system. Okay. Let us take one more example. Second example. Use Cramer's rule to compute or to solve the solution of the system 2x1 plus x2 is equal to 7 minus 3x1 plus x3 is equal to minus 6. Next entry is minus 2x1 plus 2x3 is equal to minus 10. Solution. Okay. We have to solve this system by using Cramer's rule. Okay. This is system in 3 variables. Okay. So 3 here x3 is absent. So 2x1 plus x2 plus 0 x3 is equals to 7. This is equivalent to minus 3x1 plus 0 x2 plus x3 is equals to minus 8 and minus 2x1 plus 0 x2 plus 2x3 is equals to minus 10. Okay. First, let A is equals to matrix 2 1 0 minus 3 0 1 minus 2 0 2. Okay. This is A matrix. X bar is equals to matrix x1, x2, x3 because there are 3 variables. And B bar is equals to matrix 7 minus 8 minus 10. Okay. We have to, here are 3 variables. So we have to find A1 into B bar, A2 into B bar and A3 into B bar. Okay. So A1 into B bar is equals to A1 into B bar is equals to matrix. Instead of first column, write down entries of B. Minus 8, minus 3. Second and third column as it is. Okay. A2 into B bar. Instead of second column, write down entries of B bar and first and third column as it is. 7 minus 8 minus 10 0 1 2. 7 minus 8 minus 10. Next is A3 into B bar is equals to matrix. First and second column as it is, and instead of third column write down entries of B. Okay, so 2 1 7 minus 3 0 minus 8 minus 2 0 minus 10. Okay, find out determinant of all of these matrices. So determinant of A is equals to, see here, 2 into 0, so it is 0, minus 1 into minus 6 plus 2 is equals to minus 4 into minus 1 is plus 4. Determinant of A1 into B bar is equals to, see here, 7 into 0 minus 0, so it is 0, neglect it, minus 1 into minus 8 into 2 is minus 16 plus 10, this is plus 6. Determinant of A2 into B bar is equals to, determinant of A2 into B bar is equals to, see here, 2 into minus 16 plus 10, okay, minus 7 into minus 6 plus 2, okay, is equal to 2 into, this is minus 6 minus 7 into minus 4, okay, minus 12 plus 28 is equal to 60. So determinant of A2 into B bar is equal to 60. Next, find out determinant of A3 into B bar is equal to 2, see here, 2 into 0, so it is 0, neglect it, minus 1 into minus 3 into minus 10, sorry, minus 3 into minus 10 is plus 30 minus 8 into minus 2 is minus 16, sorry, this is plus 16 and because of this minus 16 is equal to, this is plus 14 and because of this minus sign this becomes minus 14, okay. So determinant of A3 into B bar is equal to minus 14. So by using Cramer's rule, what is the formula of Cramer's rule? Xi is equal to determinant of Ai into B bar upon determinant of A. Okay. So x1 is equals to, what is the formula? Determinant of A1 into B bar upon determinant of A. Determinant of A1 into B bar is 6 upon determinant of A is 4. This is 3 by 2. Okay. X2 is equal to determinant of A2 into B bar upon determinant of A. This is, what is determinant of A2 into B bar is 16 upon 4 is equals to 4. Okay. And X3 is equals to determinant of A3 into B bar upon determinant of A. This is equals to minus 14 upon 4. This is equals to minus 7 by 2. Okay. Therefore, x bar is equals to x1 is 3 by 2, x2 is 4 and this is minus 7 by 8. This is the solution of given system. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.